I found some Aunt Jemima at Walgreens. They got the last couple of boxes. Everything else is called Perfect Milling. They changed Aunt Jemima to Perfect Milling.
Yep, same thing, right?
Come on. Yeah. That's horrible. They couldn't come up with a fucking better name than Perfect Milling.
At that point in time, that was
call it
like,
what it is.
Marcus, that was the height of the wokeness, son. They couldn't call it shit. They were like,
They couldn't call it
perfect.
That was
perfect milling, yo. It's just
that was
literally the cry
that
for
was
help.
Washington football team time and shit, right?
All right. I'm just gonna call it what it is then.
Yep, it's the perfect milling.
You can't have character no more, yeah?
Hell no.
I would have got a celebrity endorsement. I would have went with like Oprah Winfrey or some shit.
You never know what Oprah's been up to. Where's Oprah right now?
Hiding from the Diddy tape.
So you gonna make her your mascot?
I don't know.
Oprah pancakes for children.
You can't even do what's her name? Guy. The white chick that went to jail.
Nobody. That's why it's perfect milling.
Yeah. Yep. Damn, people are shitty, yo. People are shitty.
You can't even make it a character that isn't somebody. You know what I'm saying? You got to make it just the description of what they're going to get in the box.
You need to get some perfect milling.
They didn't even call it pancakes, yo. They didn't want to get like, oh, this ain't pancakes. This is perfect milling.
Perfect milling mix.
Oh shit.